In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple piece of marquetry that you can recreate at home. This is a fun and cheap project that uses the same traditional techniques of design, veneer selection, preparation, cutting and fitting. Let's begin. Start by deciding on your design. It could be something simple like a flower, or more detailed such as an animal or a landscape. The possibilities are endless. Sketch it out first, and remember, marquetry works best with clear shapes and contrasts rather than very fine detail. Next, select your veneers. Different woods offer different colours and grain patterns. Light veneers like maple or sycamore can highlight bright areas, while darker woods like walnut or rosewood are perfect for shadow and depth. Lay them side by side to make sure the contrasts work well together. Before cutting, prepare your veneers. Make sure they're flat and smooth. If you have fragile or narrow pieces, tape them carefully with masking tape so they won't break. This is also the stage where you can add colour or depth through shading, scorching or staining. Now carefully cut out each shape using a scalpel or fret saw following your design. Work slowly and precisely. Remember, each piece is like a part of a puzzle, so accuracy will make fitting easier later on. Finally, assemble your marquetry picture. Place each piece in position, checking that all the edges line up neatly. Once complete, you'll have a seamless design made entirely from wood. And that completes the Minion Marquetry project. It's a wonderful example of how marquetry can be used not only for traditional patterns, but also for fun, modern designs. With practice, you can take inspiration from any character or theme and bring it to life in wood. Don't stop there. Why not watch this video next?